students. So I hope you all are safe. Okay. So for a long time after we have to start the new academic year. Welcome to the new academic year 2020 and 21. Okay. So in our daily life we are seeing so many things. See here, it is the you all are very liking very much this thing. These all. So how many are there here? 1, 2, 3. We are counting like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Means the total crayons in this box is 25. So how like we have started? We have started 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on up to 25. So these all are called as counting numbers. Counting numbers. Already you know that these all are called as counting numbers. Its counting numbers is also called as natural numbers, or they are called as natural numbers. Counting numbers are natural numbers. In previous class only we have learned all things. Counting numbers is also called as natural numbers. So the natural number set is denoted with capital N. The natural number set is denoted with capital N. Capital N equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity. Okay. There is no greatest number in the natural number set. Okay. So what is the smallest number in the natural number set? What is the smallest number in the natural number set is? The natural number. The smallest number in this set is 1. 1 is the smallest natural number. Okay. So next, what is the predecessor? Are you know the predecessor? What is the predecessor? Predecessor means pre. Pre means before. So what is the predecessor of 3 in natural number set? What is the predecessor of 3 in natural number set? Then it is very easy. Predecessor means before number. What is the predecessor of 3 in natural number set? So the answer is 2. The 2 is the predecessor of 3 in the natural number set. In the same way, now tell me that what is the predecessor of 1 in natural number set? What is the predecessor of 1 in natural number set? Is there any predecessor in before 1 in this natural number set? No, there is no any number not there here. So we cannot find the predecessor in natural number set. So one is not having any predecessor in natural number set. The counting numbers we already discussed this one, and natural numbers also over. Next, the next one is whole numbers. So all the natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, so on to infinity, up to infinity. So all the natural numbers together 0 is called a whole number set. It is denoted with W. Okay. So all the natural numbers together 0 is called as whole numbers. Whole number set is denoted with capital W. So in this, what is the smallest whole number? Now the smallest whole number is 0. And what is the predecessor of 1 in a whole number set? Yes, here it is exist. So the predecessor of 1 in whole number set is 0. The predecessor of 1 in whole number set is 0. But there what we have discussed previous. So the predecessor of 1 in natural number set does not exist. But this whole number set, the predecessor of 1 in whole number set is 0. Now here see, what is the predecessor of 0 in whole number set? Here the predecessor of 0 in whole number set does not exist. Okay. So first remember thing, observe carefully and remember what are the differences is there. You have to observe carefully. So in the natural number set there is no predecessor of 1 in natural number set, but here in the whole number set the predecessor of 1 is exist, that is 0. next one is integers. These all are we learned in the previous classes only, 6th and 7th classes. Okay, once I am recapitulation is doing here. So revision is, see here, integers. Integers are denoted with capital I or Z. Capital I or Z. So what are the integers? In the same way, previously we discussed the natural number set, that is 1, 2, 3, so on. Next, the whole number set is all the natural numbers with including 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, these all are whole number set. Now integer set. So this is the number line. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. And here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 up to -infinity. Here plus infinity. So here first up to, from here to 1, 2, 3, these all are natural numbers. Next including 0 up to here, 0, 1, 2, 3, these all are whole numbers. Now we are seeing another one. What are the -1, -2, -3, -4 means all the negative numbers. So these all are the positive integers called as positive numbers or positive integers. And these all are the negative numbers or negative integers. What about 0? What about 0? So 0 is neither positive nor negative. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. So what are the integer set? Integer set is denoted with capital I or capital Z. So integer set means all the positive numbers, all the negative numbers together 0 is called as integer set. So now it is natural number set. It is a subset of whole number set. And the whole number set is also a subset of integer set. So that is Z equals to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, infinity. So this is called as integer set. So now see here, it is natural number set. So 1, 2, 3, these all are the natural number set. Now another one is with including natural number set together 0 is called as whole number set. And the whole number set is whole number set, and also here negative numbers also is there. So all the positive numbers and together 0, and also all the negative numbers also, this total is called as integer set. So integer set, so all the positive numbers, all the negative numbers together 0 is called as integer set. What is the greatest number in the integer set? So or you say anyone, it is which is the greatest number in the integer set? So we can't say any number it is the greatest. Why? Because it is infinity. There is infinity numbers are there. Okay. So we can't find the smallest number and we can't find the greatest number in the integer. Okay. So it is an integer set. Which is the smallest number in this integer set? Anybody say? No. We can't say the smallest integer and greatest integer. Smallest integer and greatest integer. Okay. So we can't say the smallest integer and greatest integer in the integer set. But here what is the smallest number, natural number in the natural number set is exist, that is 1, and smallest whole number is 0. But in this integer set we can't say the smallest integer number and smallest greatest integer. Why? Because here it is -infinity up to -infinity. So comparison of two integers, already we discussed the previous classes. So once you see here, so first we have to see positive integers 5 and 7. Which is the smallest and which is the greatest? 5 is less than 7. Is it right or not? See here, observe carefully. 5 is less than 7. So when we are going to forward, right hand side, the numbers are increasing. Okay. So now here see -3 and -1. minus 3 here and minus 1. Which is the smallest here? Minus 3 is the smallest, then minus 1. Minus 3 is less than minus 1. It is the smallest and it is the greatest. Comparing these two integers, so minus 3 is the smallest and minus 1 is the greatest. So in the same way here, minus 5 and plus 5. Which is the smallest and which is the greatest? Minus 5 is the smallest and 5 is the greatest. Now, so natural numbers means okay, 1, 2, 3, these all are okay. Next, together 0 is called as whole numbers and all the positive numbers and all the negative numbers are called as integers. Then what about 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 and 2.5? So these all are already we learned in the previous class. These all are called as fractions. Yes or no? Yes. So these all are called as fractions and these type of numbers 3.4. These type of numbers are called as decimals. Yes or no? Okay. So these are 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 2.5, 3.4. These all are called as these fractions and these decimals. Okay. So then these all are called as it is the where we have see here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here also infinity, here also infinity. Yes. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the positive numbers. Dash infinity and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to minus infinity. So now 1 by 2. We have to show 1 by 2 on the number line. See here 1 by 2 means it is nothing but 1 by 2 half. So from 0 to 1 exactly half. We are taking 1 by 2. Otherwise we have convert into decimal form. So 1 by 2. 1 is divided by 2. As 1 is less than 2 then we are taking point 0, 2, 5, 10. So then we are getting 0 0.5 means exactly 0 and 1 between. So it is 1 by 2. In the same way 3 by 4 means it is nothing but 0 0.75. Okay, it is 3 by 4. Next the decimals are 2.5 means 2 and 3 between exact 2.5 and 3.4. 3 after 4 decimal points. Okay. So it is these all are. So what is the number line? This number line is representations as rational numbers. Rational numbers. Okay. So today our topic, the first chapter in your 8th class syllabus is rational numbers. The topic is rational numbers. The definition of rational numbers is the numbers which are in the form of p by q. The numbers which are in the form of, I am writing the definition. The numbers which are in the form of p by q such that PQR belongs to Z, means PQR integers, and the one condition is there, that is Q is not equals to 0. The set of all rational numbers which is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q must be not equals to 0. So the numbers which are in the form of P by Q. So why this Q is not equals to 0? Let's take one example. 3 by 0. What is the answer? So we can't find. It is the infinity. Okay. So that's why it does not exist. Something by 0 is infinity. Something by 0 is infinity. So that's why. So the Q is not equals to 0. The Q is not equals to 0. What are the examples? 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 7 by 11, 4 by 9, 0.9, 7.2, etc. These all are including all natural numbers also. Okay, now see here, natural numbers 8, 1, 2, 3, so on. Next together 0, 1, 2, 3 and 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. These all are whole numbers. So all the positive numbers, negative numbers together 0 is integer set. And now here fractions 1 by 2, 0.7 is enough. So these all are called as rational numbers. So the figure, observe carefully here. So the natural number set is 1, 2, 3, so on. Next, now whole number set, all the natural number set and together 0 means 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Next, the integer set means all the negative numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. It is integer set. And now we discuss the rational numbers. Then q equals to all which is in the form of p by q, such that q is not equals to 0 and p and q are integers. The both are integers. Okay, now number set, see once here 1, 2, 3, the blue color dots showing that natural number set. Next the whole number set, here orange color dots is there na? So 0, 1, 2, 3, these all are whole numbers. Now the green color, see all the positive numbers, all the negative numbers together 0. The green color dots shows that integer set. Now here see 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3 and -1 by 2 means -1 and 0 between. -1 by 2, 1.5, 2.8, these all are rational number set. It is total rational number set. Rational number is which is in the form of p by q. P and q are integers and q not equals to 0. Q is not equals to 0. Yes, today's work is write some examples of rational numbers which you are using in your daily life. Okay, so this topic is correlated with the other subjects also, like biological science, physical science and social. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day.